Nassau is not the largest island in the Bahamas by being the capital. Nassau just have a larger population of people on it and it's more commercialized. Now the largest island in the Bahamas is called Andros. Now all of the islands in the Bahamas, they are known for something. Like Andros is known for blue holes or safari holes. Now those blue holes, they're good for swimming, especially on a hot summer day. The longest island in the Bahamas is Eleuthera, where I'm from. Eleuthera. Now that word means freedom in Greek. Eleuthera is famous for its pink sandy beaches. We have gorgeous pink sand, also famous for pineapples. We are also the home of the swimming pigs. By plane or by boat. Yeah, by boat or by plane to take you to different islands. Now the Bahamas is also a former British colony. We gained our independence July the 10th in 1973. So we are 48 years independent from the British. We still recognize the Queen. She still is the head of our state. In the Bahamas, we drive on the left. You go right, you go wrong. That's accident. The word Bahamas, it means bad Baham, shallow water. Our delicacy here in the Bahamas is conch. Have anyone here eaten conch before? Do you like conch? Yeah. The conch salad. The conch is also known to be a natural aphrodisiac here in the Bahamas. We make like conch salad, scorched conch, tropical conch salad, stewed conch, grilled conch, conch pizza, conch burger, conch fritters, curry conch, you name it, we conch it. And I'm all conked out. And it's like a mussel, more like calamari. Okay, this area is what we call Water Sports 3. And Water Sports 3 is where all of the water sports activities take place. Like if you're doing the kayak adventure excursion, the jet skis, Eagle, Lagoon, glass bottom boat, bike and kayak, this will be the meeting off point. All the way across right where you see person standing, that's where the seaplane will land in case of an emergency. That's the highest point of this island, which is 60 feet. Now the highest point in the Bahamas is 206 feet. So the Bahamas is really, really flat. This body of water is considered to be a 700-acre saltwater lagoon, also known as Bonefish Lagoon. It has a direct opening that leads straight out to the ocean. So the opening can take you all the way around to the ship. In the lagoon, they do not allow any swimming, fishing, snorkeling of any sort. That is because of the activities that take place in there. The lagoon is also known to be a breeding ground like for the sharks, stingrays, morays, jellyfish, turtles, sea stars, sea cucumbers, spiny lobsters. You'll find them all in the lagoon. Now one happy shark we have up there, as you can see, always have a smile on his face, and that's Bruce the shark. The rest of them can be nurse sharks. Nurse lemon sharks we have up there. 3 types of turtles you will find out there, such as hawksbill, leatherback, green turtle. You notice the trees, plants growing in the lagoon? They're what we call mangroves. Now the mangroves, they are protected by the Bahamas National Trust. They also play a very important role in the Bahamas. They help with beach erosion, especially during the time of a hurricane or storm. Okay, we approaching Stingray Adventure. Stingray Adventure, they have 11 rays in the park. They're also known as Southern Rays. They're all females. Now the stingrays in the park, they are docile creatures. They love to be pet. They love to be hand-fed. And they love to be kissed. Now guests are doing the stinger excursion, they will get to go down into the water with them, pet them, also and feed them. They will feed them ballyhoo fish, calamari squid, or conch. At this time, we will give you 5 minutes so that you can get a closer viewing of those rays we have in the park. Take pictures with them if you wish.